I got the Outcast out, the 4S Outcast. V2.0. I wanted to do a quick speed test on this today. I never did a speed test. I didn't do anything to this car, so I want to check the speeds on this. I got my GNS hooked up, ready to go. I'm gonna do an on-road and off-road speed test. So let's get into it. So far, this car's been great, you know what I mean? So far, it's been awesome. Full throttle. That was full throttle and it cut on me. What is going on up here? Okay, let me switch these batteries out because this cut, I don't know why this would cut, but I'm gonna check that speed real quick. Be right back. All right, switch the batteries out. And them batteries I put in there were pretty good, but we gonna chalk it up as maybe I charged it up and wasn't paying attention and grabbed the wrong battery. But speed test is where it's at in the cars to really see where the performance is. That's one reason why I want to do it. It'll let me really see where it's at. Oh yeah, I got it on 50%. I want it on 100. Oh, wait a minute. And it cut. It cut. Why is this cutting? Why would it cut? I didn't gear this up. This is all stock. I don't understand why it's cutting on me. Yeah, it's a little weird. It's cutting on me. I don't understand. I know that battery is good. And it cut again. This is the same problem I had with the Mojave. But I was full throttle in the grass. I don't understand why it's doing this. All right, yo, I calibrated it again. Not the batteries. So I'm gonna go home and check my batteries. Then another thing, I didn't update the ESC because if this is gonna be the problem, it's cutting like this, man. Y'all need to recall this whole lineup. But this Outcast is all stock. Nothing's upgraded, so it did the same thing. But I'm gonna check on it, see if my batteries is good. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's a me thing. But I'm gonna throw a 3S battery in there just to check. I know this 3S battery is live, so throw this 3S battery in there just to check again. All right, now I got that 3S in there. That 3S is fresh. I'm gonna just do a... And that one died too. That one died too. So what is going on? That one went into, maybe it's high, maybe the shutoff is high on it. I'm gonna check that before I speak too soon. But to remind you, this is the second car this happened to. I'm gonna check the cutoff, the LBC on both of them. These is the V2 ESCs that I'm running and they keep cutting. I didn't, it's pissing me off. But I'm gonna check that right now. I'm gonna check this in this video. Be right back. All right, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna check to see if the program card worked with the ESC. This is the Outcast 4S. Let's see if it connect. It connected, it worked. Let's check the drag brake cutoff 3.5, which is fairly good. That's not bad at all. Punch is at 6, I'll leave it there. Brakes is at 62%. Let's up the brakes to 75. I mean, it stops pretty good. Reverse at 25 and neutral range. That's something new. I don't know what that means, but okay, now it works. So I mean, I upgraded my ESC. I mean, I upgraded my program card, so we're gonna save that. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hook it up to the computer, see how that works. Now, can you see that? Now I got it in the computer. Let's go to Firma. Okay, we were at an 08, so we gotta do it at 85.08. That's where we were. Now we're at the 09. Update that. So hopefully that solved the problem. But that's a shame if that is a problem, because a lot of people don't have program cards. I'll let that finish processing. Still waiting on the process. Status waiting.
Please wait. Trying to let y'all see how it acts when it's finished updating. It's taking a minute.
Now we finished, and now the car restarts. Push OK. Apply to ESC. I'm gonna push apply to ESC. Okay. Now I want to see if it's gonna still have that same problem. See, it's still connected. Go to disconnect. Probably wouldn't have this bright light on there. Now it's off. Now you want to cut the car off. Unplug the computer so we can check out the updates. Cut the car back on. Now, drag brake. Maybe I should cut this lower. I don't know. Like, I don't think that was the problem though. 3.5 is pretty good. Where's the BEC on? And BEC is high. Let me see what it go up to. It go higher. No, it go lower. And the BEC is like it's supposed to. Oh, they got 11 battery mode LiPo. I didn't know they had 11. See if they got 12. Okay, we got 11 settings now. All right, I'm gonna take her out, see that this work. No, actually, I'm gonna do a test in the house before I even go through all that. Same 3S battery I just ran. I want to see if that's gonna shut off. Now I got it back here in my little driveway, which is gonna be hard for you to really test it. Let's see if she really. Nah, she ain't willing. Oh, she good now. Next time I try to hit that curve like it was gonna really jump. Yeah, I think I fixed it, but I'm not doing a speed test. I gotta charge some batteries up. But the thing is, you gotta upgrade that ESC, so I thought it came upgraded already. Try and give it full throttle, see if it's gonna really die on me. Ooh. And that's only 3S, so. Alright. Well, speed test coming up. I just had that little glitch right there. I didn't know it had that glitch on straightaways like that, because I basically bash in grass and dirt, so I don't really full throttle like I just did on my speed run. Yeah, but next gonna be a real speed test since I fixed the problem. But as always, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'm out.